Let's take a closer look at your SaneBox dashboard. This is the central hub of your SaneBox account. From here, you'll be able to get anywhere you need in order to manage your subscription or account in general. Front and center, right under your email address, you'll see a few handy buttons to get you to the places you'll most commonly need to be. By clicking Show More, you'll reveal a few more. You can get to your digest, a summary of emails that have been filtered by SaneBox which you haven't seen yet. You can set up Sane Do Not Disturb if you need to pause your inbox for a little while. You can check your Sane reminders and all of your trainings and filters, including more advanced filters like subject and domain filters. You can get to your folders page to see any currently active folders or enable and disable folders as you see fit. You can also access Sane attachments in your email cleanup tool. By clicking on your email address or the More Settings button, you'll be taken to your account settings page. If you need to add another email address to your account, click the Add Email button in the navigation menu at the top left. The Pricing or Billing button will take you to your pricing page to compare subscription plans, or your billing page if you already have a subscription set up. Get Rewards will take you to your Invitations page, where you'll find a link that you can share with new users. Anyone that signs up with your link will earn a reward, and you'll also get some free time to your subscription or a credit as well. If you've already navigated away from the dashboard, just click the Dashboard button to come right back to your home page. The Tools button will take you to your Tools page, where you'll find some handy tools that SaneBox offers, like your email cleanup tool or a storage optimizer. Settings will again take you to your account settings page. And if you ever need any additional assistance, just click Help, and we'll be happy to help in any way that we can.